Okay.
Arriving at address 1186 on left.
Kinahanglan daw maato sa kanang grocery.
Turn right, then take the first left.
First left? No.
We're here at Campground KOA Santa Cruz. Santa Cruz, Monterey Bay, KOA. Day 2, mga kayo. Mo niya mong gistaran sa Santa Cruz nga camping ground. It's a KOA Camping Ground of America. It's a cabin, a lodge, something. We go inside in our lodge or cabin. So, na ni barbecuehan. Yeah, fireplace. Yeah, veranda. Let's go inside.
Pwede na kabatan.
Yeah. So, mautoy suod sa mong cabin. Hindi lang magsuod sa kwarto kaya na pa yung natulog. Gamay siya pero sakto lang. Kanya, i-invite kami sa among family friend. Sila ang nag-reserve ani nga camping. So, nandun siya. So this is the view from our veranda sa lodge or cabin. We are here at KOA in Santa Cruz, California. So we got a barbecue place and the fireplace and gamay na veranda.
Good morning! Back to the pier. Adi na day good morning, good noon kay Sikik Tabi. Back to the pier. Hi, Lalam.
Driving. Muna akong fishing rods. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fishing rods. And we're fishing in at the Santa Cruz pier. This one is something's nibbling with it, but a small fish. So I got a bell on it, like it rings like 8 bells. Ding 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 ding. See? It's nibbling. Something's nibbling. Smaller fish. It's the boardwalk. Zoom. That's my swim bait, and the back is the boardwalk. It's the amusement park. Something nibbling with it. There's my line. Sea lions in Santa Cruz. So the birds are feasting all over the school of fish. We can see it. Birds are diving most of them. And look at all the fishermen on the pier. There's a lot of nagluto may samong kuha gahapon na anchovies. I think sardines or anchovies. Luto na yung itlog para pamahaw. Nasundara mo ni imong view sa imong pagluto. Mo diha ang kanang front kay mga RV. Look at that. Presko. So it's day 3 karon Sunday. After breakfast, ma-check out and manguli na mi. Go back to the reality. So hindi kami pwede magluto sa loob kasi walang exhaust, and then we're not allowed to cook inside. So dito na lang kami sa veranda, pero mas okay kasi open space and medyo konti malamig ngayon, pero okay lang. Again, breakfast, scrambled egg, and then sunny side up, and then fish. Huli na may kahapon, ang dami. May mackerel din kami mga huli. It was so fun yesterday at the pier sa Santa Cruz Wharf. Luto tayo ng scrambled egg. I'm gonna flip it. Yeah, that's how you flip the scrambled egg. Omelette. Breakfast. Luto naman tayo ng spam. Hello KaYo, we're here at Santa Cruz, KOA something?
Campgrounds of America.
Yeah, we're about to go home.
My book.
Okay, bye. They're camping as a kandang train ng gamay. Sige sa kay mga bata diya. It's a main gate. It's an overflow parking. That's the stage for an activity like singing, dancing. And they got a basketball court there, small ones. On the parking there. On a general store. And the campground is at the back of the general store there. So this place is a very good camping ground. KOA, Camp of America campground. It's highly recommended for us. And we stayed in a cabin. And then we went fishing to Santa Cruz Wharf. And today is going back to the Bay Area. Okay, hi mga KaYo, it's we're done camping for Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Today's Sunday, and we're going back to the reality.
Back to the
work
city.
again tomorrow, Monday, and we really enjoyed this break. At 3 days break. We get to meet and get together
Meet up
with
with your
our friends, our dear friends that
Nag-invite na mo.
nag-invite na mo. As in, they're very good friends as in to us. And every time they go out camping,
Invite on me.
invite on me. So they're from
Former office mates na.
former office mates sa akong lalab. And then they're going home also. And then, thank you, and I hope you have a good day. Because we're having a
Good day!
Bye mga KaYo.
Homebound!
That's Manresa State Beach, lalo.
Nindot po siya, fishing.
Fishing, and mostly they go here for surfing.
Muna ang among ruta.
back to the reality.
Mo niyang among bossing driver.
San Jose, Oakland, California. Back to work tomorrow. Done with fishing and camping.
Okay, sa sunod na po.
Yeah, we have a lot of food, fish.
Yes, it was a good fishing day. As in, ikaw mapahuway na lang good me. Like, we need to take a break. Okay, the school of fish is just there staying.
Shout out to
Take ramp. On right to California 17 North.
shout out to Junjun, Emery, Andi and Elle for inviting us to their camp.
Yes, to their glamping.
Yeah, pinakabuutan na family friend na. Oh my God.
Yes. Kuan, we are kanang magka-vibes me.
Buutan kayo. Shout out to you guys. Thank you very much.
Salamat pa. Di na gid siguro hopefully masaga nila kay hina yung kay traffic. Ilan the speakers de ay?
I think it's
Oh,
merged.
merge na ay. Kasod ka niya. So 85 to 101
Use the
north.
lanes to take exit 24B.
San Francisco.
Awesome.
Towards San Francisco.
Continue on US 101 for 17 miles.
7 miles to home.
Yeah.
7 miles na lang na.
And then to your right is the Microsoft.
Oh, wait down. Main office in the Bay Area. Pero ilahang headquarters is in Seattle. Seattle ba? I think so, yeah. Parehas sa AWS. No, I sa AWS Amazon.
Thank you all for watching this here video. Please like and subscribe and follow. Much love from Little Yas to each of you. Content creator making videos.